Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can place the image inside the shape in Photoshop. Custom shape tool. From here choose the one shape. So what choose the one shape. I call this animal. Natural. Let's use the butterfly for now and fill it with the black color stroke. Put it like a 5 pixel. Okay, and create a stripe. With holding the shift button you can create the move it to the middle. Okay, now we have a one butterfly shape with black background. Now bring up one image. File, place embedded, and bring this image and resize the image by holding the Alt button. Okay, press it. Okay, now you can see that you have one image, butterfly image, with another photo. Click on this layer and make a creeping mask. Here, create creeping mask. When you click on this one, you can see the drop down arrow there, which means that this image has been creeped with this layer, and you can see the image is already inside the butterfly. By holding the move tool you can bring the image down and resize it in the position you want. Select Ctrl T and then by holding the Alt button resize the image. Move it. Okay, on start, done. Click on the layer 0, that's layer to the solid color. Let's see, so little part. You can see when you click on some color, the background color is changing. Okay, I'll go back to the butterfly layer, double click on it, or go to function and stroke. You can see that the stroke is already applied in the layer with white background. Press it OK. That's it. You can put the images inside the shape. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.